This is my last about with Achilles. Ito. Achilles is 4.5 years old now. This is my last about with him. Because tomorrow, I'm going home to Philippines. Back home to Philippines. So, sala-sala kiso na. Ay, nakadagdag sun. Imagine 19 kilos. Nakaturgan ni. And these are my luggages. I have 2 luggages. This one. And the other one is this one. There is no other luggage. Only these 2. Oh, ayan, ang aking luggage. Ito. This is the name tag. Okay, it's there to Yokan. And the other one is there. I don't have any other luggages except these 2 and my other 2 hand carry, which is a black one and a white gray bag. So I don't carry other luggages except this one. This is bound for the Philippines. My flight is tomorrow, June 18 at 12:50 WestJet Edmonton to Vancouver, and then Vancouver to Philippines is Philippine Airlines PR117. That's why I make a video of my baggage, because I heard a lot of issues, the switching name tags of luggages, that when it reaches its destination, they found out that those bags are full of drugs. So I don't carry drugs. I make a video of my luggages to make sure this will be an evidence showing that these are my baggage and no other luggage that I carry. So tomorrow, my flight again is June 18 at 5:45 WestJet from Edmonton International Airport to Vancouver. And then from Vancouver, I'll be taking the Philippine Airlines, which is PR117. I will be reaching Manila June 20 in the morning, 5:45 in the morning. So correction, my flight is 12:50, not 12:45, June 18. Okay, so that's it. So I will be sending this in my YouTube private video and my Messenger a private video. This is a vlog. And then at the airport, I will be taking when I will check in my baggage, then maybe I will be having a picture or video of it. Bye.